The sun is going down so slow, golden skies begin to glow. Baby laughed the whole day through, now the stars are smiling too. Baby played with bunny white, little bird and butterflies bright. Happy puppy wagged his tail, friendly kitten told a tale. Sleep, little dreamer, close your eyes. Moon is shining in the sky. Softly, gently drift away. Dream of all your fun today. Baby helped to stir the cake, cookies sweet that Mom would bake, mixing flour, milk and fun, laughing till the day was done. Baby helped dear Daddy too, fixing little things like new, turning tiny toy wheels round, smiles and giggles all around. Sleep, little dreamer, close your eyes. Moon is shining in the skies. Softly, gently drift away. Dream of all your fun today. Now the birds have gone to rest, every little cozy nest. Stars are twinkling calm and bright, wrapping earth in gentle night. Sleep, little dreamer, don't you fear. Mama, Daddy both are near. Snuggle tight beneath the moon. Morning sunshine comes so soon.